Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So criminal and Facebook artist Thabo Bester is reportedly lawyerless. He does not have lawyers to represent him in court, as it has been revealed by journalist Lindani Mnisi on Twitter that Ishmael attorneys who represented Bester told him they will no longer be able to represent him in court. Lindani tweeted and said, "Breaking: Ishmael attorneys representing Thabo Bester says they've informed him of their withdrawal as attorney on record. At Newsroom 405 understand that Bester will rope in lawyers that previously represented Dr. Nandipa Magutumana in a related matter." Now guys, the tweet further went on to say that Thabo Bester will try to recruit in Dr. Nandipa's lawyers to represent him in court, and now that is all according to Lindani Mnisi and Newsroom Africa. Now there you have it guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Bye.